Episode 9, the early release. When Trevor Milton stepped back into the world he built, after years behind bars, Trevor Milton finally walked out, not as the disgraced founder the media had painted, but as a man who had outlasted the narrative. The world he stepped into wasn't the one he'd left behind. The EV bubble had cooled, hydrogen was resurging, and Nikola's name, the company he created, was suddenly back on every watch list. The whispers from Episode 8 had turned into headlines. Hydrogen stocks rally as energy markets reset. NKLA was trending again. Trading volume soared, and analysts were finally recognizing the potential of the infrastructure Trevor had envisioned. It was poetic. The same industry that buried him was now using his blueprints as a guide. When Trevor appeared in public for the first time, it wasn't for a press conference. It was a quiet appearance at an energy summit in Phoenix. No cameras, no entourage, just a notebook and that same confidence he carried since Nikola's early days. Attendees said he spoke briefly with startup founders and scientists, asking questions about hydrogen logistics, battery degradation, and synthetic fuels. The man the world thought was finished was studying again, planning again. Technically, NKLA showed a classic reversal setup. After years of decline, the chart formed a double bottom near 0.60 before breaking above 2.50 resistance with strong confirmation volume. The 50-day moving average crossed the 200-day, signaling a potential long-term trend shift. Traders called it the Milton reversal. Fundamentally, the landscape had changed. Governments worldwide were pivoting from lithium dependency to diversified clean energy strategies. Hydrogen was back in focus, not just for vehicles, but for data centers, aviation, and heavy industry. The narrative had come full circle. Hydrogen was no longer too early. It was right on time. Behind the scenes, rumors began swirling about a new entity forming, not Nikola 2.0, but something independent. Whispers of Trevor mentoring young founders, quietly funding innovation projects under aliases, and advising energy startups started circulating online. Whether true or not, the symbolism mattered. The idea of Trevor Milton as a teacher, not just a builder, was gaining traction. Market psychology played its part too. Retail investors remembered how he once inspired millions with a vision of clean energy made in America. Institutional investors, ever pragmatic, began buying into hydrogen ETFs and small-cap clean tech firms. The sector rotation was real, and Trevor's influence was quietly steering the tone again. Analysts speculated that BE, Plug, and FCEL could all benefit from this renewed hydrogen narrative. Each of these stocks had strong technical rebounds forming, with improving fundamentals as global clean energy spending climbed. Even Tesla